After all, getting a close and comfortable shave, preferably without spending a ton of money, sounds like a very reasonable expectation. However, choosing a good men's electric shaver seems to be anything but simple. This guide aims to change all that by redefining the way we approach this problem. Precisely, we'll start with you the user and get to the actual razors from there. There are many products available to choose from. Electric razor for men. I have compiled a list from reputed brands and done a lot of research. People will see your choice and find the products very helpful to help you make an informed decision on various features. The right products with different features and prices are determined from best electric razor for men. If you want to know about the price and other information, sure be check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Braun electric razor for men. Let's start by addressing the elephant in the room. The flashy chrome-covered Series 9 from Braun. Arguably one of the most popular and highly anticipated electric shavers in recent years, the Series 9 was the topic of many heated discussions in the online community. Launched 7 years ago to take over the Series 7 as Braun's new range-topping shaver, the Series 9 had a couple of hiccups along the way. Among those, there was a shortage of replacement shaving heads and some reports of the cutters falling apart after only a few months of use. The original Series 9, with the supposedly faulty shaving head, had model names starting with 90, 9090cc, 9095cc and so on. The updated Series 9 models start with 92, 9290cc, 9291cc, 9297cc, 9293s, etc. and all of them are suitable for wet and dry use. Positive side of this product: extremely comfortable. Close shaves. Great for longer, wiry, flat-lying hairs. Suitable for very sensitive skin, ingrown hairs. Practical and useful cleaning station. Fast and powerful, suitable for coarse beards. Negative side of this product: not quite the closest shaving razor in this price range. Pricey. Overkill for light beards and or everyday use. Number 2. Braun Series 7 790cc. The original Series 7 from Braun is probably the best-selling electric shaver of the past decade. It was first introduced more than 13 years ago and quickly gained an iconic status. Since its original launch, the Series 7 had received several updates. As a result, the outcome is pretty easy to guess. The actual shaving performance wasn't improved in a significant manner. Again, we are not taking into account the new shavers from 2020, the 360 Flex models, which are in fact worse. Because of this, choosing a Series 7 should come down to 3 things. Again, you should simply get the one you can find at a better price, since the performance is identical. Just like with the Series 9, my choice would be a Series 7 that comes with an automatic cleaning station. Positive side of this product: very comfortable. Suitable for very sensitive skin. Adequately closed shaves. Reasonably priced compared to a Series 9. Works surprisingly well with longer, flat-lying hairs. Suitable for coarse beards. Useful and effective cleaning station. Negative side of this product: not the closest shaving razor in this price range. A Series 8 is cheaper and similar performance-wise. Poorly implemented head locking mechanism. Number 3. Philips Norelco shaver. Well, in the past I used to recommend the Philips 8900 due to its decent performance and excellent value for money. That model has been discontinued, and it's getting difficult to find nowadays. So when it comes to great performing rotary shavers, we're really only left with 2 options. The older Series 9000 and the Series 9000 Prestige. Side note: there's a new Philips Norelco Series 9000 9500 that also performs really well. But having used both, the Prestige still has the edge in my opinion. A bit faster, slightly closer shaves, better ergonomics. And, while the old Series 9000 is still a good option, especially considering the price point, I ultimately chose the Prestige as my rotary shaver of choice for 2023. The Philips S9000 Prestige is arguably the best performing rotary shaver you can currently buy. So if you want the crop de la creme and money is not really an issue, this is the one to have. Positive side of this product: great for long, flat-lying hairs. Close and comfortable shaves. Suitable for coarse beards. Can be used as a head shaver. Excellent build quality. Negative side of this product: a Panasonic Arc 4 or 5 will shave closer. Braun Series 7 and 9 are still more comfortable. No integrated hair trimmer. No cleaning station. Pricey. Number 4. Braun Electric Series 3 razor. While the closeness is not quite as good, the Series 3 is slightly more comfortable and gentler to the skin compared to an Arc 3. There are several Series 3 Pro Skin models available, ranging from dry-only models that include a cleaning station, like the 3050cc, to wet-dry models like the 3040s or 3010s. So it's basically a 3040s, but without the hair trimmer. That's the biggest potential deal breaker in the case of the 3010s. The prices and availability of these models tend to change a lot, so make sure to check out both before buying. For example, if you can grab the 3040s for roughly the same money, definitely go for it. Moreover, models like the Series 3 3050cc that come with a cleaning base cost quite a lot more. Positive side of this product: comfortable, suitable for sensitive skin, inexpensive replacement shaving head, very good value for money, wet and dry use, excellent for beginners, better than an ARC3 for longer flat-lying hairs. Negative side of this product: doesn't shave as close as a Panasonic ARC3. Bit underpowered for very coarse facial hair. Works best when used on shorter facial hair. Not as easy to clean compared to an ARC3. Number 5. Philips Norelco Shaver 2300. A best-seller in its category, the Philips Norelco Shaver 2300 is a basic, inexpensive rotary shaver suitable for dry only use. The Series 2000 sits right below the Series 3000 in Norelco shavers hierarchy. So, in what way is it inferior, you might ask? Well, after using both, I can definitely tell that the Series 2000 is fitted with a less powerful motor compared to the Shaver 3500-3800 in the Series 3000. In practice, this translates to somewhat lengthier shaving sessions and a bit more work in order to get the same smooth result with the Shaver 2300. I also find the Shaver 3500-3800 more enjoyable to use than the Shaver 2300 for precisely that reason. The end result is extremely similar though. That's hardly a surprise, since the Shaver 2300 uses the same SH30 cutters, and everything about the shaving system is pretty much the same, including the tiny springs on which the cutters sit. Positive side of this product: comfortable for a basic rotary shaver, very good value for money, suitable for 1 to 3 day beards, excellent rotary shaver for beginners, corded and cordless operation. Negative side of this product: doesn't shave as close as an entry-level foil razor. No travel lock.ca and feel underpowered when shaving a coarse beard. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so to subscribe my channel at should be the price by verifying the right product quality and what is the customer's demand. If you want to know product details or price, need any kind of more information, comment below. Any issues, stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for my watching.